Okay guys, what we got right here, we got two little methods of doing this. So we have a hard case faucet cover. Now one method, you have this little button, push the button, pull this, you got this little ring. You put this ring on here, on this little part, and then pull it tight, push this little tab in, like that. That's one way to do it, which is like $3 or $4. And then you got the freeze miser, which I was going to try these. It's how it's used is you just put this on when the water temperature falls below 37 degrees. It will release a minimal amount of water. That way your pipes won't freeze. Okay. Water expands when it freezes, breaks the pipes. Then it costs you thousands of dollars to get it fixed. And you can't get a plumber out to fix it anyway because it's usually around the holidays and it's a hard time for everybody. Let me show you how to install this. A 2-pack of these was like $60, I believe. Okay, so we'll start off. You see how both of these ports are closed? They're closed, they're flush, right? So I'm gonna put one in the freezer, this little fridge. And we'll see if we can get that port to open. Still the same, we'll let it get colder. Let's check again. See the difference? So now, since it's so cold, it went below 37 degrees and that port opened up. So it's gonna let out a little bit of water until this gets above 37 degrees and then it'll stop. So once I go plug this on, it's actually going to stay open and it's gonna be on until the water gets above 37 degrees. And as you can see, it's starting to close a little bit. So let's go put it on. If you don't have this, you go out of town and it freezes. The water in here freezes, expands, it busts these pipes. It can cost hundreds to even thousands of dollars to fix. So I wanted to test this before I put it on to make sure it's actually functioning right. So that's why I put it in the freezer. I'm gonna turn this on, the water will run. The water was warmer than 37. It warmed up, those ports sealed, and that's how it works. So if you like the video, hit the like button, subscribe. It will be in the description. I will put this in the description. But if you like the video, like, subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one.